So today's adventure took us out somewhere outside of Tbilisi Lake. I mean, it's just like on the outskirts of Tbilisi. So how I found this, what always tends to happen, I don't even know how to pronounce the name of where we are. I don't even know really the name. I know it starts with a TSK. And I zoomed in on Maps.me and found some different points I wanted to see. I have no idea how long this hike is going to be. I have no idea exactly where I'm going to end up. But when I say unique travel adventures, this is the stuff that I'm talking about. So the first thing that I had found on Maps.me when I zoomed in really far is apparently some waterfalls. So that's going to be our first stop. Our second stop will be this thing called, I don't know, it just looks like a lake. It's not even labeled a lake. And the third thing, it says Lost Hut. So we'll see what that is too. I think I hear it. Found it. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, shit. See it? There's the first one. And the second waterfall. Oh my gosh. This works. Maps.me, seriously. You can find the best stuff on Maps.me, especially stuff that doesn't show up on Google Maps. Oh man. This is so beautiful in here. Literally don't even know what this place is called. You can see Tbilisi though. That's how like close we are. Okay, so the next thing, oh, I'm so happy this is here, like it showed on the map. The next place we're gonna try and get to is, it looks like an Alpine Lake. So it looks like there's a lake at the top of the foothills here. I'm curious to see. Like on Maps.me, it looks like it's decent size, but I guess we'll see in person. I haven't heard anybody else talk about this Alpine Lake, so I'm excited to see what it is and what it looks like. What do you think about these adventures I take you on?
I am right now, I'm just trying to catch my breath because there was a steep incline.
What do you mean?
And we had stopped because you were trying to hear whether or not there was a vehicle coming, but I was breathing so hard, you thought I was moving around. So what do I truly think about these adventures that you plan out for us and then we eventually go on? I'm never sure. I am actually never sure what sort of mess I'm going to get into. And I'm getting better at saying yes. I'm also exploring the tell me what it is that we're getting into, where before I was like, I don't want to know. Just, let's just go and see it. So what do I think? If we were not dating, I would not be going on going on any of these type of what is it? Type of adventures? These adventures. Because an adventure to me is a good glass of wine. My E6. So what do I think? I'm happy. I'm happy that I'm stepping outside of my comfort zone. Like, for instance, I get into...
Have we seen anybody on this trail yet?
No, since we started. Which was like a half an hour ago?
Something like that.
Okay. We haven't seen anyone.
I know. Isn't it wonderful?
It's so quiet. So, what do I honestly think about the adventures that we've been going on? They're different. They're nothing like. They're not. How do I say this? They're different. They're different. Okay, but yeah, I'm looking forward to more.
Mhm.
Yeah.
We're trying to find an Alpine Lake now.
An Alpine Lake.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't even know what an Alpine Lake is. I could lie and say I do, but I don't. So.
It's a lake in a mountain.
Okay. Yeah, I'm excited to see that. I'm also documenting this for myself so I can look back years down the road. But going back to your question, it's pushed me out of my comfort zone. Like when I think of adventures, how I'm going to approach going to new countries and kind of enjoying the city or what they have to offer. I think I'm more open to going off the beaten path than I was before.
You thought you went off the beaten path really until you met me.
So, yeah, I'm excited. I'm also happy.
This place is so beautiful.
Let's walk all the way and down there.
Ooh, that's bright. Still on our way to the Alpine Lake. It looks like, well, it's not snowy. This is, I'm seeing tire tracks. So it looks like, I don't know, maybe like a four-wheeler goes back in here when it's not snowy. I'm not really sure. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Seriously, this place is so beautiful. I don't think anybody else goes up here. Is this what they mean by a winter wonderland? Okay, so after about 40 minutes or so of straight uphill, I mean, that thing was steep. We finally found some flat ground to this trail. Ooh. Again, I can't get over how beautiful this is back here. Again, I still don't really know where we are. But this trail is on Mtatsminda, and I mean, it's turning out to be pretty accurate, which is, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna walk through these and hope it doesn't poke me. Anyways, it's proven to be pretty accurate so far. Oh jeez, I'm like hunched over right now. Oh, okay. No, I'll do this one, I guess. Oh gosh, got caught. Okay. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is, oh, ow. Something just fell on me. Oh, this is so pretty. I gotta do this more often. I think one of my favorite things to do, and it's exactly how I got to this point today, was just zooming in on maps, like where it looks like there's nothing, right? When you zoom out, it looks like there's nothing there. But when you zoom in, there's like all these little hidden gems in there. And Mtatsminda is way better than Google Maps for hidden gems. Like, this trail doesn't even show up on Google Maps. I only found it on Mtatsminda. And like the Alpine Lake I'm trying to find, it also isn't even on Google Maps. It's only on Mtatsminda. So definitely download Mtatsminda. And I also like Mtatsminda because if you download an area while you're, on Wi-Fi or have data, then the next time you use it, you don't have to have data, and it'll still pull your location, which is really nice. So we're about, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half into this hike, and we only have seen one other group. They had 4 people in it, and it was probably about 20 minutes ago or so. So this is nice. I personally love going in places where nobody else is, especially out in nature. I don't like to see other people when I'm out in nature. I kind of like it to be my own thing. So for me, this trail is fantastic. It's everything I want. And I love how close to Tbilisi it is. I mean, when you're out here, you don't think you're even close to the city, but the drive to the start of this trail was, so we live right by Hippodrome, and I think it's about, 15-minute drive, maybe 20, probably 15 though. Yeah, we'll go with 15. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Oh gosh, okay. We can see Tbilisi from here.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
This is so cool.
Didn't expect that.
I don't know where I am, but I like this. Whoa. That's a view we haven't seen before. That part was steep right there. That was really steep. Whew. I think we're getting close to the lake. check my map. Yeah, that's at the bottom. Yeah, it is.
I think it's frozen.
I wouldn't get too close. What if there's water underneath?
I think so. Yeah, I'm not gonna get too close.
This is the Alpine Lake that's dried up. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to find a picture of that lake. There's no snow.
Yeah. This is it. That would be what's, sticking out of the top of the lake.
Oh, that's true. I understand now.
You know? What?
Try not to get too close like this.
I know.
So many.
This would be beautiful.
We'll come back?
What?
We'll come back when it's after the winter?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go check out that peak. It's his first time walking in snow, especially on a hill. Keep going. Go. Yes. Trying to show how steep it is. We just found that Alpine Lake. It was dried up. And I got a little nervous about getting too close to it. You can keep going. I'm not talking to you. It was dried up. And I got a little nervous about how soft the ground was by it, so I didn't get too close. But it'd be cool to come back here in the summer and see what it's like. Because this is beautiful back in here for the winter. I can only imagine what it's like in the summer. So now we're going to try and find, I hope we have enough time, what's it called? This thing that I found on the map that said the Lost Hut, and see what that's all about. We made it to the ridge up here. So now, I think for the rest of this, on the way to this thing called the Lost Hut, whatever that is, and to our ending point today, which is by Mtatsminda Park. I don't know. I don't think I'm saying that right, but I think now we just walk along this ridge, if I read the maps right, which that's about a 50-50 chance of being correct. But over there's I don't know, another settlement. I don't even know what it is. I didn't even know it existed until I started hiking back up in here, which is like up on the backside of Turtle Lake. But so we're in the woods, the forest, pretty thick, especially with the trees with the snow. The trees were hanging down, but now that we're out here, it's a pretty wide open trail. It's really nice, and it's my favorite kind of day. It's a bluebird special. If you aren't from the mountains or you don't go snowboarding, that means there is not a cloud in sight, which is usually the perfect day to go snowboarding. Made it to our third destination, the Lost Hut. It's actually a hut. Oh my, people actually live there. There's cars and stuff. Oh my gosh. All I saw on Maps.me said, the Lost Hut. I would so live here in a heartbeat. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. You would have all this to yourself. That's cool. Yep, I want to live there.
Made it.
Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, this would be my paradise. I would easily have a cabin in the woods just like that. Hope I can get a better look at it though. Oh, I hear people. Huh. Maybe this will wrap around. I can look at it better. Huh. Ah, I just found out. It's a guest house. Like up here on the way far backside of Turtle Lake. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna try and book this place for a night. Seriously, I would just wake up with a spicy and go play in the woods all day and then come back and stay the night here. I don't know how we get up here. That's a whole nother thing. Oh, this is so cool. Open. No way. Come in. What the heck? Whoosh. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. I gotta look this up and see if it's still like... I mean, it looks like it's open. There's so many cars here. No way. Oh my god, the little kids are going sledding. You can go sledding. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I definitely need to rent this for a night or two. This is one of the views from the Lost Hut. You can see this is a different view of Tbilisi than we've ever had. Man, people say to come here in the summer. I think the winter's way more beautiful. I might be the only one, but I don't care. In the summer, I feel like it's just brown everywhere. But with the winter, oh, the snow is so beautiful. And you can still go and do stuff. We've been hiking 4 days this week, and there's a lot more hikes I want to do too.
We're actually heading back because I'm concerned that we may not make it back before sunset.
Yeah, correct. I would stay up here all day.
Huh?
You're gonna like hiking.
I do.
And the social aspect of it.
I do.
Me looking at you sideways.
You're not supposed to tweak your head that far. It's just...
What I do though.
I know. It's you looking at me sideways. That's funny.
Doubt in your mind. Now you know.
Okay.